Hello guys, today we will change the air filter from this Honda Del. We have, this is the new air filter. This is not the original, but it's good. So let's show the new air filter. This is, and now let's open the box. We will need a socket. I don't know if you can see, 8 millimeter. So let's see how easy we can change this filter. First we undo this bolts here. Wait a moment. This is the first. Go to the second. There is a fourth bolt here, but in this case it is missing. So we have only 3 bolts. Okay. So this is the old one. You can see the difference, how dirty this is from the dust. It's the clear, the new one. This is the other side. Now also the difference here. Okay, we will like this. And we're going to put the new one exactly the position where the old one was. So we put this here, but we're going to see if the box inside is clear. So we have a towel here and we can clean inside some dust, just to be sure that everything is clear inside. There was some dust inside the box. If you are living in an area that there is dust, you can do this more often. So we put the new one like this, nice and easy, very good. And we make sure that everything is here on top. And now we just do these bolts. Okay, let's have one. As I said before, there is a fourth bolt here, but in my car it is missing. So we have only 3 bolts to secure the filter inside the box. We don't apply too much pressure in the bolts because we have to undo the same in about 6 months. So this is the head. This goes to the bin, and we have a new air filter for our car. This was the video. Subscribe for more Honda videos. Leave a comment, hit the like button. Goodbye.